Versatility is key. Homemade hand sanitizer. What you're staring at right now is a raw aloe vera leaf and the rest of the ingredients that helped me achieve this homemade, very easy to do recipe. Just simply continue to watch the video, pay super closely attention to each ingredient that you see, and also feel free to contact me if you're interested in a consultation, if you're interested in knowing more information, and I'll be gladly to help you. Look at this juicy, fresh aloe vera plant that I cut all by myself. I had to take off the hardness around the edges. It's like little pointy things, and be really careful when you're doing this procedure because you don't want to cut yourself. I used that big knife to chop this plant open and place it inside of my magic bullet blender. That is the aloe vera straight from the plant, cut, chopped, and screwed. It is super juicy and liquidy, I know. It does have a harsh smell, I will say. However, it doesn't matter because it will get the job done. And if you have tiny little greens in there, don't worry about that. It's okay. It won't kill you. Look at the liquid. Look at the texture. Just like hand sanitizer. I mean, you can make this on your own, guys. Don't go crazy if it gets sold out at the store. It's okay. Home remedies are the best remedies. You know what you're putting inside of it, remember. Voila! Versatility is key. Homemade hand sanitizer. Oh, yeah. We went a little extra with the labels, but that's what we do with our brand. We represent to the fullest, okay? Yes. At the Queen's Castle, we made this happen. What do you guys think? Is this something you would like for me to make for you? We're on our way to drop some off to my mom, so just let me know. I'll leave the contact information below. Stay safe, guys. Love you. Mwah.